Assalamu alaikum students. As I told you today I am going to explain the second important long question of partial differentiation, which is the first unit, which is your first unit. Okay. The second important long question is, if u is equals to x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y, then what we have to do? We have to prove dou square u by dou x dou y is equals to x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Okay, by seeing this question, what you people have understood that how many times we have to differentiate this function? We have to differentiate this function u two times with respect to x and with respect to y. Okay, with respect to x and with respect to y we have to differentiate. Okay, so let us start our differentiations. Okay, what is our given function? Given u is equals to x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. Now differentiating with respect to y first. Okay, because we have to go from this side, so we have to differentiate with respect to dy. Okay, differentiating this function u with respect to y. Okay, so what we have to do? Dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y. So students, listen to me. How many functions we are having here? This is one and this is second function. Two functions we are having. So which rule we have to apply here? We have to apply UV rule. Okay, which rule we have to apply? UV rule. UV rule, I think you people know that the formula of UV, that is UV dash plus VU dash. Okay, I'm treating this function as u and this function as v, and here also this we are having two functions and we are treating this function as v and this function as u and this function as v. And one thing you have to remember, and always remember, that we are with which variable we are differentiating. That is we are differentiating with respect to y. Okay, dou u by dou y is equals to, now what we have to do? U as it is, differentiation of v, that is tan inverse y by x. I think you people know the formula of differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So whatever the term is there, 1 by 1 plus x square. If the differentiation of tan inverse y means, what we have to do? 1 plus 1 by y square. So what is the term we are having here? Y by x. So we will get 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. Again, dou by dou x of y by x. Okay, I told you before also, children, that if we are having function inside function. Okay, for remembrance I will told you to I will told you in the manner to remember this type of function is mother child function. Okay, what? Mother child function. First we have to differentiate our first function, that is our mother function. Then after that we have to differentiate the second function, inside function, that is child function. With this we can understand, or we can remember how to differentiate. Okay, so 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square dou by dou x of this child function, that is y by x, again plus v as it is. V means tan inverse y by x. We have to differentiate with respect to y. We are differentiating with respect to y. So our term is here x square. X square means if we are differentiating with respect to y, so partially we are differentiating, no? Partially. So it becomes 0. Okay, it becomes 0. Now for the second term, minus y square as it is, again differentiation 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square dou by dou y of x by y. Okay, then plus tan inverse x by y, differentiation of y square, because we are differentiating with respect to y, so it gives you 2y. Okay, we will write it as in a clear manner, x square. So we will multiply this 1 by 1 plus y square by x square, differentiating with respect to y. So 1 by x become constant, differentiation of y becomes 1, plus this whole terms becomes 0. Okay, this whole terms become 0. Then what we have to do? Minus this y square 1 by 1 plus x square by y square. Okay. Then dou by dou y we are doing x here, and differentiation of 1 by y. 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Okay. Then plus tan inverse x by y into 2y as it is. Okay. How we'll write this? X square by x square plus y square into 1 by x minus, okay, here y square, here what we will get here? Y square by y square plus x square into minus x by y square, okay, plus 2y tan inverse of x by y as it is. So here, look at here, what are the things we are getting cancelled? The things are cancelled, x and this 1x here, okay, y square and y square gets cancelled. So what is the leftover thing here? X cube by x square plus y square minus, okay, y square into this, minus into minus, minus into minus become plus, okay, x y square by x square plus y square plus 2y tan inverse. Okay, first here it is in this bracket, okay, this minus sign in this bracket, okay. So minus into minus, I have written here plus, but minus into plus becomes, it give you minus 2y x by y, okay. What? Minus into plus becomes minus only, 2y tan what? 2y tan inverse x by y. Then we have to proceed, because here we are having two terms in the denominator similar. So what we have to do? We will take the LCM of these two terms. So what is the first term we are having? X cube by x square plus y square plus x square y by x square plus y square minus 2y tan inverse x by y. Okay, so I will take the LCM here. For these two terms, I will take x square plus y square. So the term is x cube plus xy square minus 2y tan inverse x by y. That if I take x common here, if I take x common, it becomes x square plus y square by x square plus y square minus 2y tan inverse of x by y. Okay, this complete terms gets cancelled, x minus 2y tan inverse of x by y. This is the leftover term, and this is what? Dou u by dou y. Okay, what is this term? Is called it as dou u by dou y. Now what we have to do with this, only this this equation, differentiating above with respect to x. Now x partially. Okay, now what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x. Dou by dou x of dou u by dou y is equals to dou by dou x of x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. So it becomes dou square u by dou x dou y is equals to how many functions? This is one function and this is another function. So differentiation of x become 1 minus, here how many functions are there? Two functions are there. This is u and this is v. Okay, 2 I am keeping out constants. So uv means y as it is. Differentiation of tan inverse becomes 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square. Again dou by dou x of x by y plus tan inverse of x by y as it is. Differentiation of y becomes 0 because we are differentiating with respect to x. Yes, 1 minus 2, it becomes y into 1 by 1 plus x square by y square into differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by y constant, differentiation of x gives you 1 plus this complete term 0, that is 1 minus 2 into y square by y square plus x square. What I have done here? I have done here LCM. Okay, this term, this y and this y gets cancelled. What is the leftover term I am getting here? 1 minus 2 into y square by x square plus y square. Okay, so it is nothing but 1 minus 2 y square, 1 minus 2 y square by x square plus y square. Again here what we have to do, we have to take the LCM with this term or directly multiply this term. Okay, so it becomes x square plus y square minus 2y square by x square plus y square. It gives you x square y square minus 2y square. Okay, that is 1y square minus 2y square gives you minus y square by x square plus y square, which is our required proof. Okay, which is the required proof. This is the second important question, long question. So what you people have to do, you have to note this question and try to understand this question. With the next video I will solve one more important question in my next video. Till then, learn this problem.